Hello Taurus, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 7 to 13 December. Now being a general reading, not all messages might resonate Taurus, so keep whatever resonates. Now in this reading, you get to know what opportunities could present itself this week in your career, business or money situation, or what challenges you could face, if any, so that you know you can handle it better. So let's see Taurus. This is based on your sun sign and moon sign. You could check the other video as well. Taurus's general energy, career, business, money, 7 to 13 December. Spirits and guides, angels and guides. Please guide. And last shuffle, Taurus's general energies, spirits and guides, angels and guides. Please guide. I'll take this card. Ace of Cups. So definitely beautiful card here. 9 of Wands, the Lovers, 10 of Swords, 4 of Swords, Knight of Wands. So Taurus, what I feel here, something new you will be working on. There will be a new opportunity this week for some of you here. It could be, starting off a new project, starting off something new. Ace of Cups, new beginnings. That is going to grow, and you will be, you grow it, you nurture it, you will get overflowing, results with that. It comes. It could also be in your relationship area, in your relationship side, that something new, a new relationship, or, this renewed energy in your relationship. It could also mean that. But new beginnings for you Taurus, in some way or the other, resonating differently to different, all of you here. It could be a creative project that you are working in Taurus. That's what I get here. It could also be a new job for some of you Taurus here. An offer of a new job, or a financial, offer coming to you here. That's what monetary gain. It could be anything. 9 of Wands, you have been working hard, and there are, some of you still, tired, feeling, burnt out, low energy, depressed, because things have not been great. You have been putting all the hard work, all the effort, but things have not been great here. But you're still holding on, Taurus. 9 of Wands here. You're standing bold. You're trying to still put all the energies and efforts, and you're waiting. You're wondering, whether things are really gonna change for you here. Whether these days of struggle is really gonna end here. So some of you will be in this energy of this week. So I think you get this Lovers card after that. It means that yes, you will be getting an option there, to come out of these energies. Lovers card is about partnership, it's about associates, it's about making a choice also, so you will get a choice to make, to come out of these energies here. 9 of Wands with the Lovers card, but you will have to make a choice here. So some definitely, so that you can come out of this 9 of Wands energy, and this will relate differently to all of you here. If you are in a stuck job, maybe you will have to make an effort to move out of this job, and you get an option, you will get a choice to make here. So that is what is coming here. 10 of Swords with the 4 of Swords. So some of you who who had major losses or had difficult time, it seems that things are changing for the better. You are healing. Some of you who still do not have jobs, or your financial condition is very stressed out, you still so you are healing from that, also waiting for blessing. But the situation is better than that. Working together with close associates as a team will provide exponential growth. That's what I said. As a team, you will do really very well, Taurus. Now just beware that if you are traveling this week, there could be danger, while driving, or be alert. That's what I would say here. Accident due to carelessness. So this is just for guidance. Be alert, stay alert all the time. and there will be certain situations, you have been avoiding for some time, that I get with these cards here. Knight of Wands, at home or at office, at your workplace, if you have been avoiding a situation, that might just come out head on, and you have to deal with it. Now it could be in your personal life or professional life, something that you have been trying to delay, or something you don't want to talk about it, or there is something. For that, you will see that it will suddenly come over your head, that situation, or will come, and you will have to take a call there, you will have to make a decision, you have to give your feedback there, that you were avoiding for some time here. The Ace of Cups is a card of monetary gains too. So money coming to you from various things that you have worked here. That I do not see any pentacle card in this. So definitely, wherever you have put in the hard work, money will come from there. Sudden money, sudden monetary gain, definitely from various sources it could be. I cannot mention here because, this is not very specific. When you have this different pentacle card, it just shows that, money coming from what sources. Here it could come out of a new deal that you sign, a job offer that you get, a bonus, suddenly a bonus you could get, from your office. It's like that. Or from share market you could earn, if you were trying to sell a property, suddenly, you could be doing it and you could make some money. So it can come from various sources. That's what I get here. So this is it. Let me just pull out an angel guidance card and sum it up for this week. Just work on a team and you will see great success, Taurus, here. So let's see what the angels messages for Taurus. Knowledge. So seek knowledge, is like you need to seek more knowledge for growth, for this is your card. Getting more knowledge is going to help you in your business, career, money situation. So thank you, Taurus. This is it.